One of Python's most defining and powerful features is its extensive ecosystem of packages and libraries. These are essentially collections of pre-written code, modules, functions, classes that you can import and use in your own programs. This "don't reinvent the wheel" philosophy significantly speeds up development and allows you to build on the work of countless other developers. These libraries cover an astonishingly wide range of tasks and are a primary reason for Python's immense popularity across various domains. Let's clarify the terminology. A module is a single Python file containing code, functions, classes, variables. A package is essentially a directory containing multiple modules, often organized hierarchically, allowing for larger, more structured code bases. Python also has many built-in modules that come with the standard installation, like Math, OS, and datetime. To use functionality from a module or package, you use the import statement. You can import the entire module, import math, specific components from datetime, import date, or even give it an alias as import random as RND for convenience. This makes the functionality available for you to use in your current script. Python's libraries can be broadly categorized by their purpose. We've touched on several throughout this tutorial, but here are some general types you'll encounter. Python packages, general purpose. This is the broad category for most third-party libraries you install via pip, like requests for making web requests, or Beautiful Soup for web scraping. Python built-in modules in Python. As discussed, these are modules that come standard with your Python installation, providing core functionalities without extra installation, e.g. OS, sys, JSON, random. Python DSA libraries. While many data structures are built in, specialized libraries or parts of libraries like collections.dq or HEAPQ for heap queue algorithm provide optimized interpretations of certain data structures and algorithms. Python GUI libraries. For building desktop applications with graphical user interfaces, Python offers several options. The most common built-in one is Tkinter. Other popular choices include PyQt and Kivy, which you install externally. The key takeaway here is immense. If you have a specific task in mind, whether it's manipulating data, building a website, performing scientific calculations, or even connecting to specialized hardware, there's a very high chance a robust Python library already exists to help you accomplish it efficiently. This community-driven ecosystem is what truly amplifies Python's power.